Hey, how's it going? So this is kind of a first time for everything kind of thing we're doing here. So I've always wanted to build a guitar. Always had this like fascination with build my own electric guitar. So I ran across one of these kits on a web page called guitarfetish.com. Right, so I'm like, hey, that's a pretty good deal, and you can order a whole bunch of extra custom parts for these things. So what I have here, and we're about to unbox and kind of unveil it, and then we'll create some more videos to maybe show you how we finish it and how we build it and how we, get it put together. So we'll be having a series of videos for that purpose. But anyway, what I got is like a Telecaster knockoff, build your own electric guitar kit. So we're gonna open this thing up, take a look at it, and we're gonna. So this is an unboxing video for all you people that love unboxing videos. This is one of them. Our cat's gonna help.
Get off! No.
So
you aren't helping.
It's all right.
No, don't make the box fall.
Yeah,
over.
the box is about to fall on the cat. So bring over the box. And
we'll have the honors to do so.
We'll give her a day in court. The only tool that we're going to be using for this unboxing is your standard issue
pocket knife.
Knife.
It's just a pocket knife. This is what we call the section of the video where we call it the cutting section. You have to wait for a very long time.
While we cut. Alright, let's see what we got here. We've got a receipt indicating all the things. It's somebody took a look at this. There's like highlights on there, so an actual person, took some effort into making this.
This is why we have bubble wrap. This is why bubble wrap is a thing.
Of course, you're not getting the cat on the video, but there's a cat here, giving us a.
Okay, get off, Chloe.
See what we got here. We got some bubble wrap.
The first thing to be seen is...
So it looks like this is a custom pickup that I ordered for my guitar. So most Telecasters, as you know, have a single coil bridge pickup, a single coil neck pickup. So I'm going to put a humbucker on the neck. So this is my custom humbucker, kind of like Keith Richards' Telecaster, right? He had a humbucker on the neck. So that's what we're kind of going to go with. It's not a, it's a rail humbucker, right? So we'll kind of take a look at this for a second. We'll put it back in the box and then go through everything else. So yeah, it's a I don't know if you can see that, but it's a rail humbucker. So we got 2 bar magnets there. Should make for a pretty good sound when I get that installed on the neck. I got a custom Pickguard, a black Pickguard, a custom one, also from guitarfetish.com, that accommodates this humbucker pickup on the neck position. So that's the GFS, like their premium.
And the next thing we have is a piece of cardboard with a rubber band.
I don't know if there's anything in there or that's just packaging. I think it's just packaging. Oh, no, there's something. Oh, this is my water slide Stoogecaster sticker that they give you for free when you buy a kit at guitarfetish.com. They give you these mock water slide decals. Mine's a Stooge Bogus Caster, I think is what it is, but it's it's going to kind of add a little flair to the headstock once we get it all built and finished. So you'll see that later when we're actually doing videos. But that's pretty cool. Pretty, what'd you say, nice?
Nice.
Pretty nice.
Pretty snazzy.
Yeah, snazzy. Snaz-o-rama. More bubble wrap. We love that.
I think this is what we call a neck.
That is the neck and the fretboard. So I got a custom neck too. And it's going to be a kind of a Stratocaster.
Why do we have 2 different necks?
Because I got a custom one. This is the one that comes with the kit. This is the kit
Yeah, that's
neck.
very cheaply made.
What do you mean cheaply made? It's
The custom one doesn't, but
so
that one does.
we got a mahogany
You can
body
this.
with a mahogany fretboard. This will be very easy to stain and very easy to finish. There's no, like you can tell, there's no, they didn't seal this or anything. So it's going to be pretty fantastic. Getting to, you know, if I wanted to do anything with this, it'd be pretty easy to put a finish on that, put a stain on it. But I'm not going to use this headstock and neck. I got a custom one, so that'll be in here as well.
I can probably use that.
So here's the neck that I plan on using, the custom neck. It's a kind of a strat neck. So I got this custom, I got a telly body and a strat neck, and with a headstock, strat headstock. So we kind of get this, but I love this.
It's got crosses on
Yeah, so you get this rosewood fretboard, which is really, really cool. I might try to darken that up just a smidge with some ebony stain, but it's got these fret markers that are crosses.
You want me to go up there closer so they can see?
No, we're good. I mean, we're gonna get all this thing put together. You know, so we get this like a strat neck, right?
What are the numbers on the back?
It's like probably a serial number or something, but very nice, very good. Yeah, that's gonna look really cool on this guitar.
Okay, next we have whatever this thing is.
This is the Pickguard. This is the Pickguard that comes with the kit, right? With the neck.
I think this is the custom one.
Right, that's the custom one. So
custom one.
we got
Kit one.
We got a pickup here, the neck, like the custom, or not the custom, but the standard Telly neck pickup, right? On this pretty standard Telly Pickguard. So, like, this is the one the kit comes with. This is the kit Pickguard, and this is my custom one that I ordered to make this thing kind of stand out a little bit. So it's black. You can tell it's got the.
So this is the one you're gonna put like the custom like Pickguard you got.
Well, this is the Pickguard. I'm gonna put the custom humbucker. See, it's got the bigger hole for the custom humbucker pickup there. So. It'll look pretty good on there, and if I wanted to kind of go with the, it's kind of black, so if I was going with the Keith Richards look with that butterscotch yellow look on the Telly, this would fit perfect on that anyway, so it's going to look nice on what we got going.
Packaging. We'll have the honors of taking the next thing out.
Alright, so this is the body.
What's your
It just was stuck to the other. So I don't know what kind of wood this is. It says in the description, it's not basswood or alder or maple or anything like that. It's supposed to be stainable like ash, but it's not heavy at all. All right, it's very light, and that's kind of one of the selling points on these kits is it's ultra lightweight.
So these are going to be like 2 pounds?
Because if you think, I don't know, you've probably never picked up a Telecaster, but if you've ever picked up a Telecaster out there in the internet land, you know they're kind of heavy, right? They got a little bit of weight to them, but this body is pretty light, and there's, we'll have to, sand on this a little bit.
Yeah. Definitely.
But it's, it'll sand nice. And look at that green, man. That's going to make for an awesome finish when I put some stain on there. Same thing with the front. It's going to look really good. As you can tell, it's,
let me see how light it is.
It's 3 pieces of wood. So you got like, the first piece of wood here, and then, you have the second here, and then the third one here, and they're all glued together.
They're all different in their own way.
But yeah, that's going to stain really good. That's going to look really nice. Like I said, the body's pretty light. It's already pre-drilled, pre-routed, pre-cut out. So you got your, your input hole here. You got your selector holes there. You got your, and one thing I will have to do on this body is I'll have to route this out to fit my humbucker. That'll be the only like woodworking that I have to do besides sanding this thing. We'll get probably a 400 to 800 grit sandpaper and get that real smooth, and we'll get to those videos later, but you can kind of take a look at that.
Yeah, that's very light. getting them up at once.
So this is all of the...
Wait, where do I put this?
We'll just set it right back here on that bubble wrap. So this is all the hardware. We're not going to open this and look at everything one by one, but everything you need to build the guitars here. We got the bridge with the bridge pickup here. We got a set of strings. That's pretty cool. The tuners. There's individual tuners on there. There's the chrome selectors switch and knobs, the tone knob and the volume knob. Just like your Fender Telecaster is going to have the chrome control panel there at the bottom. Got the same thing. So this looks really super cool. Got your neck plate there. There's kind of a two-piece. There's a plastic kind of a grommet type of plate, and you have your steel plate that goes on top of it. All the screws, all the bolts, everything right there. Everything ready to go. It's going to be really fun to put together. I can't wait to get started on that, but trying to figure out what the finish is going to look like. I'm going to do definitely stain, not paint. So I'll probably do like a burst, maybe a dark smoke house burst or something like that you see on some Gibson guitars, which is really nice looking. It'll look really cool, vintage. But I'm going to maybe stay away from like the tobacco burst or sunburst with the yellow in it. I want it to go from like brown to black on the edge. So that's kind of what we're thinking about doing with the finish. But it's going to be a great project. It'll be fun. We're going to keep you guys informed the whole time. We'll take you on this journey. I've never built a guitar. I can barely play guitar. So that's beside the point, right? So we're going to go through this journey together, see how novice you can be and still put these things together. I have, like I said, very little guitar building experience. I've never done it. I've never really finished any wood before, so that'll be a project for, if you're a newcomer, if you've never built a guitar, you can walk through this thing with me and see how it is. One thing there is not in here, what'd you notice that there's not in here?
I have no idea anything about guitars besides that it makes sound.
What would help you if you didn't know anything about building guitars? Maybe some instructions. There's none in here, so we definitely have to consult the old YouTube University to brush up on our guitar building skills.
Tell us in the comments what to do.
No, I mean, I've watched plenty of videos and read plenty of articles online. Great source of information, by the way. So yeah, we're definitely looking forward to this thing, and we're gonna have a blast with you guys. So can't wait to string it up and get to rocking. Thanks, and join us for our next. Whatever we do next in this thing.